Hi, I'm Kristyn, owner of Bend Beyond. Today's Inferno Ed focus is static holds. While exercising in our Inferno classes, your muscles go through 3 different types of contractions: concentric, eccentric, and isometric. All of these different types of contractions are useful when working out and all provide different benefits. Our focus today is on isometric contractions. Contractions where the muscle length doesn't shorten or lengthen, rather it stays the same throughout the exercise. The static holds we practice in Inferno are isometric exercises. Isometric exercises are ones in which you hold a key position without moving, targeting and strengthening a specific area. Some of our favorite static holds include frog squat and chair squat hold, which targets and strengthens the quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Lunge hold, which targets all the same muscles as our squat holds, with the added bonus of really getting into the calves as well. And of course, everybody's favorite, planks. Whether it's a side plank, forearm plank, or high plank, all planks not only strengthen your abdominal and spinal muscles, but also work your upper and lower body as well. Static holds are a little bit deceiving. I mean, how hard can it be to simply hold still? Don't equate simple though with easy. Static holds build intensity super fast when you hold the correct alignment and the engagements. It's important to get your alignment correct, engage to support that alignment, and then sustain the engagement throughout your hold. This sustained engagement equals time under tension, which is how you get the strength benefits you're looking for. One of the best benefits of isometric exercises is its ability to build core strength. It doesn't matter what exercise you're holding, when you have to hold still, you must engage your core muscles. Isometric exercises also help to build body control and balance, and are great for rehabbing injuries and working past strength plateaus, as they allow you to build strength around a specific range of motion around a specific joint. Like all of our exercises in Inferno, building a strong foundation in your static holds is key. Get the alignment correct, get the engagement, and then hold it as long as you can, even if that's not for the amount of time prescribed in class. If you find yourself losing the form or losing the engagement, take a quick break. That's absolutely okay, and then get back in. You'll build the strength that you're looking for over time. Oftentimes in our static holds, we offer different variations, like dropping to the knees in your forearm plank. Always take the variation that allows you to keep the good alignment and to keep the engagement throughout, knowing that every time you make it to the mat, you are getting stronger and stronger. The next time you make it to your mat, pay a little extra attention to your static holds. See where you could give 5% more, and watch as your body and mind shift over time. We can't wait to see you on your mat soon.